Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is Framer motion in React. Right here we are in Framer and here we have Framer motion. So what this is basically a complete documentation and open source CSS library of motion animations library where you can get animations such as this and many much more. So you can use this in your CSS projects, in your websites and many much more. So you can even have the ability to adjust the parameters right here to animate it itself. So as you can see right here, you already have your CSS code, which is the motion div animate, and here's the specs in x-axis, y-axis, and its scale if you want to make it larger or smaller, and it's very smooth. You can even rotate this to your own liking, as you can see. So it's going to be like a button if you want to. You can get the specs right here and then you will be able to integrate it into your website. So you can even tap to open a card right here using CSS, and here they already have it motion ready for you. So you can even tap and drag the circle to your own liking, and as you can see, it will automatically update it here on drag and on the cancel. So this is where you will get it. So here, if you want to go more, you can check it out here in framer.com/motions, and then you'll be able to get it for free. So there you go guys, this is your Framer motion. It's basically as open source CSS animation where you can get a library of your own effects into your website. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.